Hi guys, today we are going to talk about creatine. Should you use it? Is it good? Is it safe? Let's just jump into it. And I know your first thought, is it safe? Okay, it's this white powder that you mix in your drink and is it going to do something to you? Creatine is completely safe. It has been researched thoroughly. However, I will say this, personally, certain brands of creatine don't agree with me as much. I can feel it in my gut. But certain brands, that is the brands I stick to, do. And that's up to you to sort of test and try. I personally like the micronized creatine. I feel my body absorbs it better. Okay. But let's talk about what is creatine. Creatine. I like this one. It's the micronized creatine from Shanuza. I like Shanuza because they've got, it's synthetic free, it's gluten free, and even their proteins come from grass-fed cows, so I'm a fan. Shanuza is good, it agrees with me, but it may not for you. I would test and try. Okay, so creatine. Creatine is one of the most widely researched compounds. Okay, it's safe to take. Now, what does it do? Creatine is a compound that's actually already in your muscle cells that fuels those muscles during heavy lifting or high intensity exercise. Now, your body produces creatine. You can also get creatine from eating meat and fish. But here's the thing, to get about 5 grams of creatine, but here's the kicker, when you're working out, say on a Monday, to get 5 grams, that's one serving from this, of creatine, you would have to consume about 5 medium salmon steaks. Now, could you have that? Sure. But why supplement with creatine during a workout is that when you do work out, you may not have enough bioavailable creatine in the muscles to fuel that workout. So it's very convenient to supplement if your diet hasn't been great the day before. What are the benefits? Now look, this stuff you can get on ChatGPT and stuff. I'm just gonna reiterate it. Your muscles has more fuel, means you can work out harder. You get more strength, more power, enhanced muscle growth because you are now training your muscles a lot more than you normally would without enough creatine stores. Okay, it improves your performance, period, because you just have more fuel. Your whole body, all your muscles have more fuel. Here's something I don't know if you guys know. Creatine actually improves cognitive health. So it actually improves memory and brain function. Okay, so it helps remove that brain fog that some people might be experiencing. And that's something very interesting because, we do need a lot of mental focus during our workouts. And if creatine also helps with that, why not? And another thing, supplementing with creatine actually improves your recovery. It speeds up recovery. It reduces inflammation and muscle cell damage and helps you recover faster, which means you can work out, you can have your next workout soon. Now, any side effects? Look, so creatine, what it does, it draws water from your body into the muscle cells. So you will look a bit bigger, a bit fuller. Your muscles will seem and feel a little harder, which is great. One of the biggest, easiest way to know if creatine does not, or from that manufacturer that does not agree with you, your gut doesn't feel that good. Okay, you may have some itchiness in the wrong places, but that's only for a few. So if you are experiencing that, change your brand. There's nothing wrong with the creatine. Maybe something wrong with how they're actually making the creatine from that particular manufacturer. Okay, so your gut is your guide. And there's some stuff out there about kidney, liver damage, about dehydration. There has been no conclusive evidence of that. It's been completely debunked. Okay. Does it cause dehydration? I mean, they said that because, it draws water from your body into your muscle cells. Just drink more water, just hydrate better. Period. Bottom line, it's safe, thoroughly researched, okay? But with any supplement, take it for a few months, go off for a few weeks and take it again for a few months. I mean, they say that about vitamins as well, okay? So I hope this helped. Try creatine because it will enhance your workout and your fitness journey.